Come and make a Kindle cover with me. This is the voiceover version. I've actually uploaded a video with all the original sounds because I kind of think it's got a bit of an ASMR vibe about it. So you'll have to let me know which one you prefer. But essentially what I'm doing is I'm creating a book cover that my Kindle is going to sit in. It's going to give it those fancy sketchbook kind of vibes. I love the way it feels in my hand, but also how it looks when I pop it down on the table as well. I'm using elastic to hold it in, so that's going to make up part of my lining, which I'm just doing here. Nice and simple, just sewing these few pieces together. I'm putting an optional elastic strap in, which will go on the back somewhere to put my hand so I get a better grip, so I'm less likely to drop it on my face when I'm reading at night. But I've made this fabric sleeve up, push the corners out nicely, put the strap to the back, and now I'm ready to insert these pieces of card that I cut earlier. I have put all of the measurements and all of the details as to how I've done this on a blog on my website, so if you're looking to make one, head there for full details. And each of these pieces of card is held in place with just a line of top stitching, not through the card, just next to it. It's easier to do than I think you probably might think. And I'm now inserting a closure before I top stitch this opening closed. I'm using an elastic and a button, but you could use anything really. A magnetic closure would be really nice, or a popper would work, but a Velcro, whatever you want. I just love the way the button looks on it. And just like that, it's all finished. It's such an easy project. And as you can see here, the Kindle slips into it so easily and then it's done. I think this would make such a nice present for somebody as we run up to Christmas. I thought I'd start sharing a few little bits like this with you.